A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Muhammadin wa ala alihi wasallam. Today we will contemplate on the sixth Ruku of Surah An Nahl. The last Ruku ended with this statement that the claimant of the truth cannot give guidance to anyone of his own. According to Allah's command, the guidance will only be acquired by the one who turns for it with pure heart. With this prayer, that may Allah Almighty help us in understanding the Holy Quran by the grace of His beloved Prophet Rahmatul Lil Alameen Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Let us start today's session. Surah An Nahl, Ruku 6, comprising verses 41 to 50. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wallazina hajaru fillahi min ba'di ma zulimu. And those who emigrate for Allah Almighty after they had been wronged. La nubawwi annahum fid dunya hasana. We surely settle them in this world in a good place. Wala ajrul akhirati akbar. Law kanu ya'lamun. And reward of hereafter is greater if only they could know. Allazina sabaru wa ala rabbihim yatawakkalun. They are those who endured patiently and relied upon their Lord. The first underlined word is hajaru, migrate. Those people who withstand the injustice from others and then migrate for Allah Almighty, set aside the wrong beliefs, perceptions, and customs, and withstand the hurdles in the way of truth with patience and steadfastness. They are the ones who had put their trust in their Lord in every difficulty and faced every problem with forbearance. Their Lord will provide ease for such people in this world with His benediction, and they will have great reward in the hereafter. In chapter 3, Surah Al Imran, verse 195, mentions about those people who migrated for Allah Almighty. Translation is: So those who emigrated and were driven out from their homes and were persecuted in my cause, and who fought and were slain. Indeed, I shall wipe out their evil deeds from them, and shall certainly admit them to the gardens beneath which streams flow, a reward from their Lord, and with Allah lies the best reward. وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَا مِن قَبْلِكَ إِلَّا رِجَالًا نُوحِي إِلَيْهِمْ. And we sent not before you except men to whom we granted inspiration. فَاسْأَلُوا أَهْلَ الذِّكْرِ إِن كُنْتُمْ لَا تَعْلَمُونَ. So ask the people of remembrance if you don't know. بِالْبَيِّنَاتِ وَالزُّبُرِ. With clear proofs and written ordinances. وَأَنزَلْنَا إِلَيْكَ الذِّكْرَ لِتُبَيِّنَ لِلنَّاسِ مَا نُزِّلَ إِلَيْهِمْ. And we have sent down to you the reminder, so that you explain to the people what has been sent down upon them. وَلَعَلَّهُمْ يَتَفَكَّرُونَ. And so that they contemplate. Ahle Zikri, those who remember. Azuburi, booklets. Before this, also the divine message was being decimated through men and is still being delivered in this way. The physical look of such people is like that of other beings, but the real difference between a common person and them is the afflatus. And now, if the people who are arguing do not have this information, they shall ask it from the people of knowledge. The term Ahle Zikri in Quran means those who are the accomplished ones, who have the awareness of creational formulas, civics, science, economics, history, and have Quranic cognition. These are the beings who have witnessed the reality and have assurance of heart. We shall realize that first step of acquiring knowledge is to nullify one's own understanding. This veracity regarding verse 43 has also been disclosed in chapter 21, Surah Al-Anbiya, verse 7. The messengers we sent before you were but men, whom we had sent revelations. Ask the people of knowledge if you do not know this. Booklets, clear descriptions, and remembrance, that is, the Holy Quran, have been revealed upon the messengers so that people may contemplate upon them, know the reality, and live their lives accordingly. And if they can't understand them, they shall ask from those who have its understanding. Afa'aminal lazina makaru sayyi'at. Do then those who devise evil feel secure? Ay yaksifallahu bihimul arda. That Allah will not cause the earth to swallow them up. Aw yatiyahumul azabu min haisu la yash'urun. Or that the wrath will not come upon them from where they do not perceive. Yaksifa shall cave in. Are those people who are devising evil schemes not afraid that they may be caved in, or such punishment may approach to them which is beyond their imagination? Are they not getting any lessons from the signs which are spread worldwide? That what was the end result of the oppressors against the messengers? أو يأخذهم في تقلبهم فما هم بمعجزين, or that he would not seize them while they move back and forth, then there is no escape for them. أو يأخذهم على تخوف, or that he would seize them gradually. فَإِنَّ رَبَّكُمْ لَرَؤُوفٌ رَحِيمٌ. Indeed, your Lord is kind, merciful. The first underlined word is the kallu bihim, going to and fro. The khawf, horrify. One of the ways of this chastisement can be that he may seize them while they are in their routine activity. These folks cannot run away from the Lord's divine law. Allah Almighty is very compassionate and merciful. He does not seize the people on their follies instantaneously. Rather, He gives them respite so that they can mend themselves and correct their perception. All those who do not take advantage of this respite will have the end result of a reprimand or rebuke. In chapter 39, Surah Al Ankabut, verse 40, it is mentioned, so we caught each one upon his sin. So among them is one upon whom we sent a shower of stones, and among them is one who was seized by the stream, and among them is one whom we buried in this earth, and among them is one whom we drowned. It did not befit Allah's majesty to oppress them, but they were wronging themselves. Avalam yarau ila ma khalaqallahu min shay. Have they not seen that things Allah Almighty has created? Yatafayya'u zilaluhu anil yamini wa shamail. Their shadows incline to the right and to the left. Sujjadal lillahi wa hum dakhirun. Prostrating Allah Almighty, and they are subservient. Yatafayya'u, incline. Dakhiruna are humble. All those people who are deviating from the right course do not see that whatever things Allah has created, their shadows are bending from right to left and bowing down before Him and displaying their humbleness. Now, those people are not using their intellect even with such manifested signs. How can they see the way of truth? وَلِلَّهِ يَسْجُدُ ma fis samawati wa ma fil ard, and to Allah Almighty prostrates whatever is in heaven and whatever is in earth. Min dabatu wal malaikatu wa hum la yastakbirun, of creatures and angels, and they are not arrogant. Yakhafuna rabbahum min fawqihim, they will revere their Lord high above them. وَيَفْعَلُونَ مَا يُؤْمَرُونَ, and do what they are commanded. Dabatin, creatures. In reality, whatsoever is in heavens and earth, whether it is of creatures or angels, everyone is prostrating before Allah Almighty. That is, they accept His sovereignty and superiority and show their humbleness. They are apprehensive about their Lord who is above them, and they are fulfilling the duties assigned by Him wholeheartedly. One of the example is our body, in which there are several involuntary systems that are performing their duties. In chapter 22, Surah Al-Hajj, verse 18, it is said, have you not seen that all those who are in the heavens and all those who are in the earth prostrate themselves before Allah Almighty? And so do the sun and the moon and the stars and the mountains and the trees and the beast, and so do many human beings, and even many of those who are condemned to chastisement. And he whom Allah humiliates, none can give him honor. Allah does whatever He wills. A summary of the sixth Ruku. Those people who migrate for Allah Almighty after being wronged by others bear the hurdles in the way of truth with patience and steadfastness, and put their trust on their Lord. So Allah Almighty will provide ease in this world with His benediction, and for them there is big reward in the hereafter. According to the system of Allah Almighty, the messengers have been delivering message of truth in every epoch. The Lord has sent down with them the enlightened booklets, scriptures, and remembrance, so that people may contemplate. Are those people who are planning novel deceptions against the truth not afraid that the rebuke which was struck to the formers may come to them? Everything in this universe is prostrating its true creator and honor, and is informing us about this veracity. May Allah Almighty help us in understanding the true context of the Holy Quran, and may we act upon it according to the guidance of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Sadaqallahul Aliyul Azim. Sallallahu Ta'ala ala Habibihi Muhammadin wa ala alihi wasallam.